Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by importing your clip and placing the playhead where narration begins. Once done, enable microphone permissions and choose a stable input so levels won't clip. Make a short test take to confirm distance and volume. You want clear speech without peaks. Use headphones to monitor live. This prevents feedback. Then open Capcut's voiceover tool, select your microphone, and record the first usable pass. Don't aim for perfection on take one. You now refine the recording by trimming and splitting voice clips to match your edits. Nudge clips frame by frame if sync drifts. Apply noise reduction to remove room hiss, then normalize so levels sit consistently under music or effects. Use volume envelopes to duck music under speech. This keeps intelligibility. If a line feels nasally or distant, try a subtle EQ or small pitch shift. Make several short passes. To finish, export a short proof clip first so you can confirm sync and codecs. Choose WAV or high bitrate AAC depending on delivery. Save a project backup before full render so you can revert if needed. If you hear clicks or clipping, lower gain and re-record affected lines. If timing is off, nudge the voice clip by a few frames or slip trim the video. Finally, test the final file on target devices to ensure consistent playback and clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.